Hello, this is Mr. Huff, and I just briefly want to go over an example homework assignment with some fake answers and that sort of thing. So, when you look in modules, you will see that there are some homework assignments posted here. I will try to label these with an HW for homework and a number for which one they are. They will always come in a pair, so you'll have homework 1 unit conversions. This is what you're doing. And then homework 1 will also have notebook scans. So you'll do your work and enter your numbers on the homework assignment, and notebook scans is where you're going to turn in the pictures of your notebook as a PDF. So let's take a look at the homework assignment. In this case, we're looking at unit conversions. In this particular assignment, I've included a tutorial video. I've listed how I want the assignment done. So in this case, this is IPC. I want them to write their name and IPC at the top right of the page. And then they're going to write down the starting number and units, write down the provided conversion factors. And then they're going to set up their conversion by showing their work. They're going to include unit cancellation. They're only going to use the provided conversion units, and then they're going to calculate the conversion, and in a box they're going to record the solution with the correct units. And then in Canvas they will record only the number with no units. If you put units on the number in Canvas, it will complain because it's only checking the value. Then you'll also submit a full page scan of your notebook work. Make certain that your name is visible on every page in the scans. So your work will look like this. So in this case, I've highlighted what I want to see. I want to see the information you're given from the problem, how you set up the conversion, and then your answer with the correct units here. And this part you don't have to show. This is just the calculation. If you include this, that's all you need. Okay? So let's actually look at one. So I'm going to preview this. So this is what it would look like. So we have 4 questions here. You see the instructions, and then you're given the question. So there are so many centimeters in an inch, and there are so many centimeters in a meter. Convert 200 inches into meters. Let's say you did some math, and you didn't do it right because you got 555. Okay, I'm just putting a number in. Don't put the units in. If you put cm, it will complain. So make sure only to put the number here. When you put the number in, then you hit next, and it'll take you to the next question. And you can enter those just like that. So always put the numbers in. So again, you just thought, it's 555. So we're going to put answers on all of these. Of course, you would do these in your notebook neatly, showing your work and getting the correct answer instead of the 5 that I got wrong. When you're done, you hit submit quiz, and now I have your solutions submitted. Let's go and look at how you would turn in your work. So I'm going to pretend that this is your work. So you are going to turn in a PDF scan of your notebook. Across the top, you have a title, so I know what I'm looking at. For engineering, you're going to put your name at the bottom. For IPC, you'll put your name at the top. All right, so this is my page of work, and this is a scan from a notebook that we did last year. So I'm going to change this to student view, so I'll see what you see. And then we're going to look at the modules, and I'm going to find homework 1 notebook scans right here. And when we open that, it's going to say, would you like to submit the assignment? So I'm going to submit this, and then I'm going to take the scans. I recommend 2 apps. NoteBlock is one that will work on iPhone and Android, and you can upload it into Google Drive, upload your PDFs, or you can email them to yourself, however you want to handle that. Also, iPhone, if you have iPhone Notes, there is a way to scan documents there. And if you have questions about how to do that, let me know. I don't want pictures of you holding it. I just want scans of the actual page of notes with titles and your work shown clearly. It has to be legible or it doesn't count. So I'm going to go down here and choose File Upload because I've got that file on this computer. So I go to my downloads here that I downloaded from whatever. This is homework example 1, and so my file. and then I hit open, and there it is. Another thing about iPhone Notes, you can AirDrop to your MacBook using that. All right, so then you're going to, once you get your file in there, you're going to submit, and that is how you complete the assignment for me. Let me know if you have any questions, or if you don't have a phone, I have an iPad you can scan documents with. Thanks, and have a good day.